All right, we're going to go through the slide out menu in this tutorial. Most of the items in the slide out menu have tutorials elsewhere, but I will go into a little bit more detail than the written tutorial as we go through this. So the slide out menu is accessible through the 3 horizontal line icons in the upper right hand corner. The slide out menu is available on most screens of the app except for sub screens and detailed screens because they are settings you use throughout the app. Okay, let's go through them top to bottom one at a time. The first is messages. Think of messages as your own private email. Again, a tutorial elsewhere, but I will show you that sliding back and forth, sometimes people miss this, you have additional features on each message, and to get your messages, you just continue to scroll. And again, private email, that's how you think of it, that is messages. Okay, the next item is notifications. Notifications are all the things that have to do with you specifically. Earning trophies, people responding, people mentioning you, threads that you follow, all kinds of things. And in order to see every type of notification in the app, you would go into settings, go to notification, and then you have absolute control over which notifications you receive. Moving right along, we're going to go to Who's Online. This might be important in a case where you just really need assistance right now. You know these folks are active, they're online, you can send them a quick message by tapping on their profile and then sending them a message if you need help right away. Again, that is Who's Online right now. Now, latest status updates. In your profile, in anyone's profile, you can do, on your own profile, let me go to that, I can do a share status, and I can share my status update. The latest status updates shows exactly that. And it's a really social feature. It also allows you to go ahead and start a status update conversation as well. There will be another tutorial on status updates and all of the detail about those. Support, very simple. Support is your contact to our customer support. You'll usually get a response relatively quickly, and when you use this support link in Overland Bound 1, it also sends along the app version number, so you don't have to do that. That way we know exactly which app version you use and we can help you more effectively. That is support. And My Locations. Okay, My Locations is divided up into 3 sections. These are locations that you have added to the app, okay? So one is quick save. If it's a quick save, you can delete that. I'll go through more information elsewhere, but this is divided up into your quick saves. Those are on your phone, they're local. Pending, if you are offline and you've saved all the detail for a new point of interest, then it will upload to our server. If you're offline, it will not do that, so it will show you all of the pending uploads in the queue. And then uploaded, this is everything else. So this is all of the locations you've ever added to the app that have been uploaded to the server, okay? In the future, we will have a search menu so you can search your locations as well. That is My Locations. Next, offline maps. This will show all of your offline maps. I do not have any right now, but the offline maps will be listed. They will have a different icon for the 3 different types. One is a main map download that you downloaded from the main map. One, you went to the location tab of a rally point and you said download. It will indicate that it's a rally point location offline map download. And the third and final way is by downloading when you're viewing a GPX track, and it will only download the area around the GPX track plus 5 miles. So there will be 3 different categories. Okay. Upgrades. This allows you to upgrade your account. It will always be present, even if you currently are a member of Overland Bound. It gives you valuable information about your upgrade status. That does not go away. And then the gear store, our ever popular gear store, store.overlandbound.com, all kinds of great stuff. Remember that members get a discount on items in the Overland Bound gear store. Settings. This will be a whole other tutorial because there are so many settings for you. Now, log out. That is clear. Be careful logging out. The reason is if you are offline and you log out and you don't have internet access, trying to log on, you will not be able to log on. So if you are going to be offline, make sure you're logged on, and you will generally stay logged on to the Overland Bound app unless you log out. And now the last thing is the version number, and that's here at the bottom. If you tap on it, you can copy the version. One thing I will point out is that typically you'll see the short version number. If you long press it, you get the full version number. Then you can tap it and copy the version number. Again, if you use the support link, it will include your version number, so we have that information. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and we will talk to you in the next tutorial.